Mad, which part this way there?
Fall out of there.
Mad, so we just pull up down there now. Sick. McLaren them out there, so. Yo, what go on?
Outside.
Hey, Crystal. Oh yeah, father, this and you not show me.
Cause I thought you was going on next one. But you don't have the machine inside.
Yeah, inside there now?
Yeah.
Oh, what time this lock off?
9 o'clock.
Which part we can park? Anywhere?
Inside, upstairs.
Alright, well, we'll move forward.
Alright.
Mad. That is it.
Keep it going, keep it going.
Yo, this a car show.
Yeah, man.
Look, mad.
Enough people there too.
Yeah. Take a walk through Skunk Lifestyle, man. Yeah, Skunkers. So we actually just left Tino show and we heard about another event down here at Las Olas. So I show now I'm going. You see me? Mad. What going?
Outside at Chad.
Blessings, bro.
Blessings.
You good?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, man.
Good.
Respect machine look nice, bro.
Thank you, man. Chad coming in today?
He's here.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see you guys upstairs, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna look upstairs.
Alright, cool.
Alright, respect. Mad. What you say on the machine and look? Huh?
You have a bag?
Yeah. German line, what you say now?
There, man. So I go on the car show, you know?
Yeah.
Like a vibe.
Don't you feel nippy?
Yeah.
Yo. I'm here a sick machine down there, so you know. Mad.
See, they do this too.
Oh, he was at the show?
Yeah, the blue Porsche there.
You sure?
Yeah, I think so. I think that's how the blue Porsche parked up.
Alright, I go check out what around.
We just found about the show a while ago.
Yeah, machine looks sick.
Oh, sorry.
Big up. Yeah. Walk through now.
Huh? You got a shirt on? I know what it is. I have my boy Supra that's in the shop.
Oh, inside there?
Yeah.
Oh, sushi for too.
Yeah, I got one of my shop cars in there.
We just see a while ago.
Yeah.
Pull through. Mad. Have a vibe still.
Alright, you good?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yes, it's right.
Yeah,
Blessings. Yo, let's go inside. Mad. Yo, let's pull up on car show down here, so in Las Olas. See me? Mad pre. That is it. So, blessings, Pally. You good? Oh, this. That is it, man. Blessings. Man. So we're going. Stop.
You think it's 2J swap?
See what I'm going, Skunk Lifestyle. Man. Yo, this mad. Yeah. Yo, just give me like a Tokyo vibe.
Yeah.
That's sick. I walk through. Blessings. Blessings. Yeah, today in my pocket. Yo, Skunk Lifestyle, you don't know the vibe. So walk on and show them what I want. Yo, this give me like a Tokyo vibe right now. This is dope. Man, see there? Yo, this stuff, you know? Tough. Alright, 34, yeah, so. Man. Sick. Check over that side, you know. 26 machine. Supra them out. up, bro? Rob, what going on with your machine there?
My machine is up there, get short machine on there.
Yeah.
But I like still there modest Supra versus
Yo, this sick,
Skyline.
this sick, man.
Modest.
Oh, it's a Supra versus Skyline show.
Kinda, yeah, that type of breed.
Okay.
That's the machine I'm talking about.
This one.
I mean, that right there.
Blessings,
That's
bro.
the owner.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
Yo, the machine look good, bro.
Appreciate.
See it, mad. Sick. What kind of purple is this?
Midnight purple.
Midnight. Oh, mad,
It is a
mad.
wrap, but
Yeah.
for a wrap, it's pretty good.
Look good, look good. Mad. Yo, so it's like a Skyline versus Supra show.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Mad. So I got. Yeah, man, respect, bro. Mad. Boom, mad. Yo, honestly, this feel like Little Tokyo, dog.
Machine, man.
Machine.
Yeah, man.
So confused. Ziggy, this one's for you. Mad. Yo, this just top off the vlog. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Skunk lifestyle is crazy. Like, machine and mad, isn't it? As you can see right now. Sick. Yeah, man. Mad. So that we have the GTRs over on the left side. GTRs on the left side and Supras on the right side. Yeah, it's like mad. Sick. Yeah. Oh. Showing how I go on, you know? Skunk lifestyle, you know the vibe. Just a showing how I go on all the time. F82, F80 fuel. On A90 Supra, look good.
Yeah, man.
There, man, how you think? Good?
Yeah, man.
That is it. Yeah, man. See it here. Proper. What's up? Blessings. Respect.
Want to make over here?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, respect. Yeah, man. See it here. Mad. So many of these Polar Supras here. See me? Mad. See it here. Machine. Now look good, you're free. Sorry.
Mr. Lou!
Blessings, man.
Go on, everything
Every
good?
time, man. Blessings,
Big
man.
up, big
That
up.
is
Every
it.
time, every time.
Mad. Sick. Mad. Tough. That is it. Yo, the show is sick. I don't even know who put this on, but it's mad. Dear heaven. Respect. Well, go on. Blessings, man. That is it.
It's a big machine there.
Yeah. See it, man. Yo, so this is almost like a Skyline versus.
Yeah, Skyline versus Supra.
Oh, who put this on? No? Sick though.
Yeah,
sick.
bro.
Yeah, that's nice.
That is it.
Yeah, man. It is that. Man. Yeah, man. Respect. Blessings. Yeah, man. Alright. Woo-wee. It is that. Respect. Yeah, man. So I want.
You never met, but make sure you get Cav's logo. That's Kevin.
CK Bill. Man.
There, sir.
Oh, this is the one he did? Yeah, this is a race car kept did this one. He's not here tonight?
No, he's in Orlando.
Oh.
He's supposed to come, but in Orlando racing.
Yo, who put on an event like this?
His name is Sean, but it's called Boost Happy.
Yeah, bad.
Yeah. They got cars out there. They got cars outside too.
Yeah. Respect, man. That is it.
Can I grab a picture, boss?
Yeah, for sure. That is it, man. Respect, man. That is it. Respect. Yeah, man. Nice vibes. Nice vibes, Compass. Nice vibes. No joke. No. I'm so confused right now. So much nice machines right here. So I walk through, take a look. You don't know. Yo, it's bad. It's sick. Yeah. Yo, I love this vibe. Vibe, man. Respect. Yeah, man.
Happy, good. All right, everybody in the building. At this time, we're asking everybody to please step forward by the DJ booth. As a few moments, we'll be going to show you from that show, that Skyline, and that Supra.
Yeah, go on. You're good. Hey, Larry, what's going on?
You ask me,
Yeah.
I would show you. What you say, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready for the boss?
Yeah.
One.
Go.
One. Let's go.
Bobby. Larry.
Let's go to the next one.
Larry,
What
this
do
one
you
really
want, boss?
sick
What do you want,
machines,
boss?
You're the boss, you know. You're the boss, man.
3.
Right, yes, sir. Man.
Nothing better than what you bring out.
See it, Larry responsible for all of the machine, you know.
Machine, we have Toyota, we have Nissan, and we have rotary too, you know. Don't say a word.
That is it.
Yeah.
Respect, man. Machine them look good. Blessings, man. Every time. Aye.
Is this your car?
No. Yeah.
I tell you, I said, look like you spit and shine every nook and cranny.
Yeah, it look good, right?
Yeah.
He's a boss.
Every nook and cranny.
Yes. I said, look like you say.
No, he's a boss. He's a boss.
That's his job.
Man, watch it. Sick. This Drag International build this one in Larry, you know. Yeah, man. Sick stuff. Watch out. Woo-wee. Yeah, what you say? Clean, no? I'm to them, you know.
Machine, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Teach him well.
I'm going to teach him and I'm going to take off on him.
Yeah, man.
Best of the best.
Oh, man.
Him know everything, man.
Yeah, man. But the Supra, when we met Jody crying, high water.
I made it that.
All right.
I made it that.
Every
made it
time,
that.
Larry. You're the boss. Touch it.
Real boss.
Real boss. Man. Event's so sick though. Like, must have walk around and I look. It's so crazy. So I go on.
Don't forget one thing, you know.
Yeah,
Tuned by Lance.
that is it.
Biggest man in the whole world.
All right.
Tuned by Lance.
That China man, eh?
China man. Baddest in the world. China man.
Yo, I'll be back over here soon. I'm going to come check out the shop.
Yeah, man. When you come in there, watch it. It's like a candy shop.
Okay.
Watch it.
Yeah.
It's bringing you. What are bringing when they come in the candy shop?
I don't know.
Oh, we gonna figure it out.
All right.
Don't say a
Soling them,
word.
man. The machine them sick, dog. Yeah. Sick, no? Yeah, man. Man, watch everybody look funny. Man. Yeah, man. Well, it's crazy, skunkers. Like, the vibe is nice. Man, respect. So, I go on. Man. Bro, this is it.
Off of the car, you know.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yes.
Touch it.
Alright, that's the one.
Love it. And the boss.
Yeah, everybody boss, but that's
Aye,
the
yeah,
one.
sweet.
Hurt ya.
That is it, man. Look really good.
Reload up again.
Really good. Yeah, man. Love love it. Yeah, man. Love it, love it, love it. I'll come check you guys soon. I'll be back in a week or two.
Okay.
Yeah. And I will call you guys. Come check out the shop. Yeah, man.
Candy shop.
Candy shop. Larry, pick up yourself all the time, man. You're the real boss. Yo, this crazy. Yo, Larry machine, I'm sick, you know.
Sick, dog.
Sick, bro. Sick. What you liking the show so far?
This show is good, man. There's some nice machine, nice build,
Yeah.
real good. There's some good cars here, man. Some good high sport.
Yo, mega have a care one of them, meet one of them there.
Yeah, you
Remember
should,
me telling
you
you that, Ross. Yeah, man. Sick. Yeah. Man, I clean up the machine, make sure the machine crisp. Yeah, man. Larry machine, man. Watch it.
We are about to start. We're going right now, right?
Clean.
Not even a fingerprint.
Not even fingerprint, bro. Like, Jog International. Don't forget. Machine, man. Come on, man, doing my itch. Kick it.
Alright, first up. We're going to start off with the best Skyline.
Watch it.
And today, with the best Skyline in the building.
Machine.
Best Skyline versus Supra, the Tokyo Underground Edition. We got Vinci in the building.
How you doing? Take up.
GTR, right?
Where's your car?
The best Skyline.
Run us up.
Vincent, Timmy in the building. So Vincent, please step forward on the intake. We will do it.
On. On. Yo, wait till the event.
Yo, that's sick.
Man, no.
Yeah. Can't believe they get such a good turnout.
Bless up. Yeah. Sick. That is it, man.
That is the best Supra here at Skyline versus Supra today, alright? So please step forward.
Where's your car? Yo, now meter bad still.
Yeah, I never expected to be so turned.
Sick.
But I'm happy.
And you know what? We're just coming from our next meeting. I'm gonna say, yo, we're gonna pop in and so yeah.
I was gonna ask if you were coming in, but I'm like, I saw you going to the other one.
Yeah,
and I'm like,
Man.
car over there.
Yo.
Tucked away.
Man. Go during GTR. Yo, respect.
Big up.
Blessings. Come on,
The
respect.
best Supra today.
Event signal.
Picture. This time.
Yeah, let's get the picture. Hold it. Take a picture of them. What is about the fruits them? The fruits them bad, though. I fear fruits them, man. They're tough. Yo, those long hands, though, really good.
Yeah, I get them from some Vietnamese, you know, the Chinese.
The Chinese them. Yeah, man, you good, though? What time you leaving here?
Soon, because I'm locked. So now this
Yo,
Because I even finish at 9, it's like 25 minutes. I see the Babylon.
is there a next floor? Oh, there's a next floor?
Yeah, but nothing up there.
Okay.
This is pretty much it.
Yes, Skunk Lifestyle, you know the vibe. Big up on yourself. Yo, the meet's crazy. Like, I'm gonna be giving you a lot more content for 2025. Cause you don't know, we're gonna be traveling. Plan to just take on the world next year and just get some content for y'all. You see me, my brother there? That is it. You know the vibes. You know the energy. All about the car life, you see me? So I don't know. Just show you what I'm on. Sick. Yo, your car's really nice, bro. Thank you. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Appreciate it. That is it. Man. Man, nice. Man. Blessings. Yeah, man. Machine, I'm leave out now. Who's happy? Machine them nice, yo. Yo, your machine 6 in.
Thank you, man.
That is it, man. Yeah. Yo, what you say? Bad?
Crazy.
Crazy, crazy. Blessings, heart of love every time. That is it. Machines. Man, where's the Chad?
Yeah, man, yo. Good thing up.
Alright, let's go. Yo, nice to meet you again, bro. Yeah, man, blessings. That's it, eh? Everybody. Skunk Lifestyle, big up on yourself. You don't know the vibe. That was so cool too, you know?
Epic.
Yeah, man, it was epic. So I'll close out this episode right now. So we went to Tino Automotive Show, then we'll pass through Boost Happy, Skylines versus Supras. You don't know. More content to forward for y'all, isn't me? Chad? That is it. Yeah. One Daza. What do you mean? That is it, bro.
That is it, my bro.
Every time.
Police come low inside.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get some rollers with the car.
Oh, cool, man.
Look me up on YouTube, alright?
Yeah.
Skunk Lifestyle.
Skunk?
Yeah, but with a V.
Okay.
So SKVNK.
SKV?
Yeah.
Write that down, baby.
Slow down, Chad. Shadi on the road.
Yeah,
yo, she's sick, bro.
Yo.
Yo, that's sick, brother. Mad. Yo, that's sick, man. Yo, get the Skyline out. Get the Skyline. Yo, sick, yo, dog. Skunk Lifestyle, what go on? Who this?
No.
How much power there?
I know what I want to get.
Exotic car show.
Exotic car show put on by Film Solutions, man.
Yeah. That's
Long
it.
time another on the vlog.
They don't know can you fly. You don't know. So Skunk Lifestyle, we're just pulling up right now. I'm going to take a walk through and show you some of the machines that are here. So big up to Film Solutions Auto Paddock. We just reach, that is it. Man. Yeah, so let's take a walk through now. Yeah. So go on. Blessings, bro. That is it. Yeah, so Skunk Lifestyle, I just take a walk through. Show now I'm going.
Remember?
Huh?
You remember me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you're
I'm
bigger now.
trying
You good?
Yeah,
How you liking the cars?
good.
Nice?
You see you're re-wrapping the BMW M3 though.
Yeah.
Oh, you go to re-wrap it?
Yeah, soon.
What color?
I can't tell you.
Oh, alright.
Big up. Which car you see I like?
I didn't even know there's a Euros out here yet.
Yeah.
But I like your car and the two McLarens what came out.
Touch it, man. You're well fluent, man. I like that.
But I have my tablet right now and I made your car, but there was an M3 in my game.
Yeah.
So I did an M5 instead. And I made it exactly like it.
You really love cars, man. Touch it. Yo, you know, sister, man, love car, man. What's going on?
We're in auto business, naturally.
Yeah?
Come, he was in my womb, we doing
Oh.
auto.
That is why I care.
That's why.
Yeah.
Like that.
Give me the car thing.
No, man, I'm have it, man. So you liking the show so far?
Well, we just get here, so we just...
Okay. Yeah, man.
Check
Take a walk around. You guys can look out for. I should be doing something next year too.
Next year?
Yeah, my
Like this?
thing. Yeah. Well, little bit different, but.
Yeah, come here, that's something.
And we are doing it 2026.
All right.
Here, that's something with you did a vlog with this guy, the selector. He said under plan something.
Yeah. Well, I deal with it, man.
Alright, well, you know you're getting support still.
Yeah, man. Respect.
I get the support.
Yes, because the Maybach, yeah. What is about this? You want one?
You want buy me?
No, you don't buy man things. I'm up there, man. Yeah. See it, Big bad Maybach.
If you have champagne
GLS 600. Mad.
red label wine,
So,
money,
take a walk around. We
you
have the Land Rover over here, the Range Rover.
let me tell you, got them dear.
Automotive, what going on? In that place? What going on? Yeah, Skunk Lifestyle, so you don't know. Just pull up to the Auto Art camp. What's going on? You good? What's going on? You alright? Lamar, what going today now?
Yeah, man, we're going big up the Auto Art Farm. Don't know where they represent.
Yeah.
Everybody, it's a good vibe today. Just come over to the Auto Art tent. We have everything in it.
Peter John, man. I love the marketing where you put down, you know. Good vibes, bro. Trust me, and Skunkers, you don't know, big up to Automotive Art. Every time, you don't know, with that brand ambassador for them, and I'm out here doing them thing, and I'm showing you. I don't know, these are the paints we use, you know. Alright? What you say, Kev? Good?
About man, big up to Nick.
Yeah, well, if you can watch this on, you can make her know yourself. A long time way.
A long time we are linking, you know that. Yeah, man, big up, keep it going. Love how you know, advertise the thing, yeah.
All the time. See it, man. And this is your car care line, right? The
This is
Axiom.
our line, this is our line of product, Axiom.
Yeah. I know you guys have a graphene.
Yeah, we have graphene, we have the detailers, the quick detailers, we have graphene car wash, and we also have this, but we didn't bring it.
What is graphene exactly?
Graphene is a ceramic coating product
Yeah.
that we use to put over the car finish, so it helps to protect the paint from any hazardous products. It has a you have a one that is about 2 year, you can get a 2 year warranty on.
Yeah.
And you put it on to help to protect the paint finish from the sun. Any we live in an environment that is surrounded by sea.
Yeah.
So the salt airs and stuff.
Yeah.
That's what graphene is.
Man,
ceramic
respect.
coating.
See the Automotive Art. Mad. So I'm gonna walk around now, Skunkers, showing some of the cars that are here. Yeah, so Skunkers, because of the music and stuff, sometimes I can't get to record.
So what you drive? Like 100 feet or something?
Big up, you know.
I drive
Yeah, so a G63.
And then I have a Ford F-150 that I drive every day.
Yeah, why not?
I think a G8 M3 could have beat Nicklo.
This man is.
I'm
Mr. Benz.
Yeah.
Alright,
Mr.
Nicklo. Talk to you about the car. Can they come and have a conversation with you about the car?
G63.
Maybe you'll show them.
So this is the first
outside of
new
the car
shape
and so-
G-Wagon in Jamaica.
All right, link him up, people. If you see my road, as you can see, he's a McLaren manager, but I never bring my own to the car. I never want to show him up.
Colors in Jamaica.
See me have a McLaren shirt.
You have your blacks and your whites and your reds.
If you see him, ask him about the car, and you know, he made his dream a reality.
We need to link up and do a vlog in it.
for actually bringing the car to display
I'm gonna show you
here
up.
today.
For sure.
You
Also,
know,
the 53
and
to show you the
all the best with it. Any more big
What
cars
does
you planning
Benz
to
have in
bring
store for
in that
2025?
kind of
Anything special coming out with? Should look out for?
Yeah, the CLE 53, and I think 2025 the 63 should be coming out, which is they're bringing back the V8 bi-turbo. So look out for the CLE 63 and 53. I'm hoping somebody places an order. It's a phenomenal car, 2-door coupe, absolutely.
Which part of car I go drive now?
Look out for that for sure.
So we're gonna vlog it now.
For sure. Big
That is it,
up.
bro. Big up.
All right, great. Thanks for joining us today. And
Machine.
blessings. What's that?
Nice.
All right. So who else we're going to talk to? We're going to talk to some more car owners today. So just stay tuned. We're going to talk to some more car owners of these beautiful. All right. Where the people
the vibe right now, Skunk Lifestyle.
Yeah.
The GT63 right here.
Come in.
As you can see.
Right there,
So,
sir. Yeah.
I'll get as
All
much
right, so
footage
we have,
while we get the music break. So
All right.
I
So
should
we
be
have
doing a vlog on this one pretty soon. I'm
the
gonna show you
G63,
the shot from around
the
here.
blue GT63, and what's the other car?
Mad.
The GT63S.
So this is the GT63S that they're actually talking about right now. Mad machine is Skunk Lifestyle. Just want to tell you that. And then we have the McLaren 720S is over here. Mad. The black one and the blue one. Y'all know that one already.
The G-Wagon.
You know these are the sick machines. Big up.
Because I've never seen that color
So you don't know.
on the road unless it's that car. So what's your favorite thing about the G-Wagon?
And then we have the white Cybertruck right here. And then there's a common one here.
G-Wagon.
Big up, bro.
Big up.
All right, so
Common Cybertruck right here. And guess what, Skunk Lifestyle? I should be doing a vlog on this one pretty soon too. Actually this week I should be getting this Euros to do a vlog on. So this is the first Euros that actually hit Jamaican soil. So you don't know. I'm gonna actually vlog it this week. Give you a pulling night and thing. It's really nice. I like the forged carbon on it. So this is forged carbon right here, as you can see. Mad. Looking sick. And then this is the first Lambo. Well, the first new shape, like more modern day Lambo that has hit the island. This is Hugh Graham's own. You know, we did a vlog with this like years ago, and even up to now this car still have a vibe. You don't know, soft machine right here. It's some beast of a machine too. Like this not ramp for spin up tire. Trust me, tell you that. These are the CLK 63. This is mad as well. And then we have the AMG GT over here. Nice machine. These are like really good on the highway too. Really powerful.
Active, man.
Active, you know. That is it. Blessings. Let's see now. What do you think about the car so far?
Fully up, man.
Yeah?
Machine them nice. It's a good look, man.
Yeah, you like the vibe?
Yeah, vibe going good. Vibes are going.
Yeah.
A really good turnout.
Yeah.
Actually, the Cybertruck them
Look nice too.
favorite, yeah, man. Nice.
First, you seen them in person?
Yes, first. Tough, man.
What's your favorite car here today?
Have to be the Porsche.
Which one? Because there's like three of them over there.
And let me know which car here.
Grey and black one. And the big
That's nice.
Yes.
That nice.
Really stand out.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
That is it.
man.
Every time, you know.
YouTube video, man. Get one of them every day.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I appreciate that, man.
Yeah, man. Continue to do it.
Yeah, man. Respect every time.
Yeah, man.
Well, go on. You said, yo. Well, go on now. Which cars you liking on the vlog, on the show so far?
I love off the black GT3,
Yeah.
the blue GT, well that's the GT3, it's the blue GT3, and the two McLaren.
You like the two of those?
What's your favorite? You can't say poison.
No, I wouldn't say poison. Honestly, I would take probably one of the McLarens. Yeah, or the Lambo.
Great.
What is this?
Yeah.
Oh, because
No backyard. Big up yourself every time. Yeah, man. Big up. That is it. So Bentley over here, so respect. Yeah, man. Big bad Bentley right there, so yeah, man. Whole heap of money worth of this. Nice. I don't know. Ford stang or so. Proper. Just walking around the venue right now. Where's the blessings? Where's the music not going off right now? So I have Ryan Louis also. Benji, bless up yourself. What you say? Which kind of machine am you like?
Maybach still.
Maybach
tough.
Maybach tough still. Yeah. So if you're supposed to take anyone, it's the Maybach. What would you take?
Probably the black GT3.
GT3. Yeah, I like that one for real. I'm gonna take a walk over this side.
Yeah, bro. Big up in there, done know in the boss there, done Nick.
Yo,
don't play with it, Dan.
which one are your favorites so far?
Yo, bro, you don't know our favorite already. This straight, bro.
Yeah.
Straight.
So which one?
Right now, I look on the boss over there, so the Q, the R8.
Yeah.
But I kind of feel the classic, bro. Look on the classic.
Yeah.
Can't beat the R4, bro.
Yeah, man, it bad.
R4, man.
Foxy already place.
Eh?
A Foxy already place.
Tell him again.
Foxy where? Which one have?
Nick, tell him about my Foxy, Nick.
Yeah, man.
Am my Foxy already place? See that?
That is it.
Man.
Mad. Oh, which app this?
TikTok.
Okay. Big up. Blessings, man. Yeah. Blessings. Take a walk around now. Just talk to some people. What go on now? Yeah, man. I you will do it, man. You align the car, you know, to make it up and running. Yeah, man. The red G80. This Audi though, so I'm not skipping over this, I'm gonna get back to this, but this Audi, this RS4 is pretty much one of a kind. I think probably this is the only one in the island right now, and let me tell you, this car is immaculate, very clean. I've done a vlog on this one before. This one is really well kept. So it's the RS4, and you don't know the G80 right here. Big up to Stephen Brown. And then we have the RSQ8 right here. This is a beast of a machine. If you look through it, the interior is red and black. You can see. You don't know. What about the ISO on this one? Yeah.
Alright, so the high road.
And another RSQ8 here.
And they're saying that they're not telling. Right.
So we're Gregory, right? You don't know. We're going with the show today, looking really good.
Wow, what a blessing. Amazing day, great turnout. Cars looking lovely. I can't ask for more.
Yeah.
I can't ask for more. It's
Trust
been a great day. So far, so good. And confirmed for sure, more to come.
Definitely. What do you think about the turnout?
Awesome.
Yeah.
And more to come, is still early.
And what about what have people been coming to you and saying to you about the event?
Huh?
No, so what have people been saying to you about the event?
Appreciate it, loving it. First time to get all of these cars together. We've seen them, stage by stage, but for the first all together. And with the opportunity to bring more.
Well, big up again for having us a part of the event.
Appreciate it.
You don't know me, I walk through, show them some of the cars and stuff. And let me tell you, creme de la creme.
Appreciate it.
That is it. On copy.
Come say hello.
That's a YouTube.
Yeah. Mad. Big up yourself, Caleb. Outfit look mad.
Directly behind the vehicle.
Outside. One curve. Every time.
The young coolers.
Man, I want Judes. Big up.
Big ball of this,
Yeah.
Future.
Eh?
Realest thing, man. Remember me tell you.
Him tough.
He might juggle about 40 one time right now.
Really?
Easily.
Alright, man. I look forward to you, I look forward to you in the future. Man.
Super Jude.
Super Jude. Yeah. Big up yourself. What you say? You good to go now? Mad. Alright. Which one are your favorite to see today now? This you like? The Porsche? That one, yeah? In particular? Alright. But you have to pick one.
Porsche.
Alright. That is it. Big up, man. Yeah. Every time, you get in. See it, you don't know the vibe.
It's not about the
machines, So these are the GT3 and these are the GT3 RS. So, can we spot the difference? So the diffusers and stuff on it are a little bit different. The kit and stuff. Which one of the machines you see and you like?
Yo, the Maybach dog.
That you like?
Maybach.
Quite a few people say the Maybach.
Feel like Ramesh 7 should have there and the BMW 7.
Yeah.
But the Maybach.
Mad. Yeah, the GT3 RS are mad to the black one. Sick. So, you see? machine. This one is the first time I'm actually seeing this one in person. It's really nice. Man. So yeah, skunkers, you don't know, just a walk around. Let me walk around and interview some people. Yo, which one of the car them you like?
I'm the blue
Ford Mustang.
What my vehicle name? My blue Mustang.
Yeah.
My blue Mustang.
That is it.
Every time.
Man. Yeah, skunk lifestyle. So yo, I hope you like that episode a while ago. You know, I pretty much just put 2 shows I went to in one. And you don't know, the new year is almost here, so we're gonna have a lot of content for y'all for 2025. So you don't know the vibe. Hoping liking all these episodes. That is it.